This is cooking squid there. Cook it until it's burnt by the looks of it. And just some coals. And this is the same place as we had dinner last night. So just a little shop on the side of the road, and things like peeling something out of the prawns. So it's he's gutting the prawns. Don't know how he does that. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, there you go. So that all comes out just by doing that. Oh yeah. I've eaten prawns lots of years. I've never known that.
Now you know.
Yeah, now I know. I'm not going to do it, but now I know. So that's the brains and everything all coming out. And
Seeds coming out.
yeah, and the shit pipe, as it were. And these prawns are they're all live in the bag, so they don't buy dead prawns in Vietnam. So, so there you go. So are these saltwater prawns? They look like tiger prawns.
That's saltwater.
Yeah. So yeah. It's a new one for me.
If you want to use it, you need to pay me for the copyright.
Oh yeah. Well, I was going to say, mate. We'll start punching those tools out on the internet, and we'll call it a special, prawn gutting tool. There you go. And chooks are all out here, and this big thing here is their water reservoir. How do they keep the mosquitoes from breeding in here, Tang? Or they don't care?
Maybe they don't care.
Yeah. Yeah. And that one's so live he jumped out of the bucket. Even after his head was removed. His guts were removed. Anyway. I'm sure gutting prawns isn't the kind of video that you logged on to watch, but if it's 1 a.m. in the morning where you are and YouTube's on autoplay, sorry about that. That's what you're going to watch.